New York may be known for its high prices, but some of its best experiences are completely free. And here is how to see the city's top sides, savor its flavors, and travel around efficiently, all while staying on budget. The first and the most important one, navigating New York by subway. Because the taxi can be very expensive and it is well connected and offers the best way to see the city. The New York City subway is a budget friendly and convenient way to explore the city's highlights. For just $2.9 per ride or capped at $14.5 per day with a contactless Visa card, you can zip between the city's neighborhoods. Let the subway be your key to New York's best free sites. And here is a list of some of them. Times Square. Soak up the vibrant energy, neon lights, and excitement of Times Square, especially captivating at night. It is one of those NYC icons that is best experienced in person. Central Park. New York's beloved green space offers endless discoveries. Wander its scenic paths, iconic bridges, and serene spots like Bethesda Terrace, all within easy reach by subway. Brooklyn Bridge is another one of them. This historic bridge is a perfect walking destination, connecting Manhattan and Brooklyn with panoramic skyline views along the way. Don't forget to take your camera. Broadway Street and Hudson River Piers. Broadway's theater district is buzzing with energy, while the Hudson River Piers offers scenic views, waterfront sitting, and occasional public events. The Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island ferry ride. Seeing the Statue of Liberty up close is a classic New York experience. The paid ferry ride to Liberty and Ellis Island gives you access to both islands. Tickets start at $24 for adults, and you can book directly through Statue Cruises to ensure authenticity. I think this is the only company which operates tours. Enjoy unbeatable skyline views from the water while learning about NYC's history. Breakfast at Bryant Park like a local. Start your morning in true New Yorker style by grabbing breakfast from Amazon Whole Foods, which is right across from Bryant Park. Choose from fresh bagels, pastries, and breakfast bowls and head to the park seating area to enjoy your meal. Bryant Park's inviting atmosphere is lively, especially around lunchtime, with locals and visitors alike enjoying the vibe. With its blend of green spaces, public art, and people from all walks of life, Bryant Park offers a perfect morning experience that is truly New York. The next on our list is Union Square Green Market. If you are in New York on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Saturday, make sure you visit Union Square. This bustling farmers market showcases New York's local food culture with vendors offering fresh produce, artisan breads, cheese, honey, and even some handmade crafts. It is an ideal spot for sampling regional flavors, picking up unique souvenirs, and immersing yourself in the energy of New York's market scene. The next one on our list is exploring Wall Street and financial district icons. Anyone who loves the stock market, it is a must visit place for them. For a taste of New York's financial pulse, head to Wall Street. New York Stock Exchange is a building which is an iconic building. Admire the historic architecture of this world famous building, symbolizing American finance and global trade. Charging Bull and Fearless Girl statues. These two statues are iconic photo spots with deep significance. The Charging Bull represents strength and optimism in the financial market, while the Fearless Girl, standing across from the bull, symbolizes female empowerment and resilience. Together, they capture New York's spirit of ambition and courage. Enjoying NYC's signature eats. I mean, when in New York, you cannot miss out on these things. Bagels and bowls. No New York trip is complete without trying a classic bagel, topped with cream cheese or smoked salmon from a well-known deli. You'll find great options in neighborhoods like Soho and the Lower East Side, ideal for grabbing a quick bite from. The next one on our list is free shuttle service from LaGuardia Airport. For travelers flying into LaGuardia Airport, why don't you take advantage of free Q70 SBS, which is Select Bus Service Shuttle, which connects to the Jackson Heights Roosevelt Avenue and Woodside 61st Street subway stations. From there, you can easily hop on the subway and head straight into Manhattan or other boroughs of New York, all without needing a pricey cab or a ride share, which can be really expensive. It is a convenient and budget friendly way to start your New York adventure. Then catch a parade if you are lucky. Parades like Steuben Parade, celebrating German American heritage, or major events like Thanksgiving and New York's parades bring vibrant music, floats, and crowds to New York's streets. We were lucky to spot this German American parade, often held near Central Park, Times Square, or along Fifth Avenue. These parades are festive cultural experiences that offer a fun and immersive way to celebrate with locals. With these tips, you are all set to experience the best of New York City without breaking the bank. From iconic landmarks to local markets and easy transportation, you will get the full New York experience while keeping expenses in check. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. For more insider tips, stay tuned.